Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps on how to make your own sound on TikTok. To make your own sound on TikTok, you could follow these steps. First thing, what you could do is you could actually go ahead and take a screenshot, or you could save the audio. And once you've actually done it, so then you could actually go ahead and open up your TikTok application and click on the plus button. And once you've actually done it, so then you want to simply upload the particular screen record that you've made it so far and click on next. So here what you have to do is you want to click on the gear icon and just click on only you, and here you want to post this particular then once you've actually posted this, you want to click on post, after which it's going to take a couple of seconds. So what you have to do is then you want to come to the plus button once again, and then you want to go ahead and use this sound, right? So click on add sound and you'll have this recent, or you'll be able to find it right on this section. So this is how you could make your own sound on TikTok. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.